Okay, just gonna take a short video. This is to make sure that I am responsible only for my damages, if occurs. We're on empty. Maybe not. Maybe when you turn the key it comes up. Check that view out. How amazing. Rented me another bike. Explore Sapa here. So beautiful, right? Amazing. How can you not just stop and intake all this beauty? Oh, this beautiful greenery. So beautiful. Let me zoom it in so you can see. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. There's my Harley Davidson. I always rent a Harley Davidson. I came across this. How pretty is that? Who doesn't love a beautiful waterfall? Check that out. Zoom that in. There we go. These roads are a bit windy, but I don't find them dangerously windy. I actually find them quite fun. Look at the waterfall. Wow, we have come across another waterfall. Zoom it in. Oh, that. How about that? Pretty incredible, right? This is the waterfall that I showed just a little bit ago. How cool is that? I guess you can go up there. I don't know how much it costs, but that is so amazing! And we've come across this little town. I don't know what the elevation is that I am at the moment, but I would like to know. But I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Got some buffalo roaming. It's a bit cold. I didn't bring anything. But I want to show you something that I crossed. Right on. Some small little town I've come up along. Heaven's Gate Hotel. Big truck. Look at the clouds on my hands. Cold. Smelt. We're just over that way somewhere. But yeah, you can see all the clouds. You can't even see anything over there. So, I've made it to here, wherever here is. Oh, let me zoom this out. And we're going down, elevation. But we're gonna check over here, and it's very, very cold. I think I would buy a sweater if I could, and we're gonna see what this is, so let's get a little closer. So beautiful. So I'm gonna say you have to pay, but I have no idea how much. And I don't know where we are on this map exactly. But it looks pretty interesting. Okay, so let me see. Where must we be? Just one moment. Okay, so how that works is 500 one person, and you get a ride up in the van. I guess to a point. You didn't speak best English, but I don't. Then you on your own, because I see there's trekking. Yeah. I'm gonna go in here so I can get something to eat. The clouds coming in. But how that works is you pay 500, they take you up, you do whatever you do when you're up there, and you get a ride back. So 500 Vietnamese dong is not that much. So now, I can't see because these buses are in the way, as you can see. It is a Saturday, so. And I did have a chicken in that place. The outside was tasty, but the inside was still frozen. In the picture it shows chicken and french fries, but they only bought the chicken. I said, what about the french fries? They tried to make me pay separate, but in the picture it said it shows chicken and french fries. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna actually be going down a lot in elevation. Just stop and have a break. Looks like there's a path, but I'm not going. And I think it goes down there, looks like. And somebody's growing some food. Wow, how beautiful. So, what can I say? Pretty freaking amazing. It seems like I've been driving or riding on the bike for an hour and a half, maybe 2. But that's not the case. I'm only 45 minutes from town. Crazy, right? But it's because all the winding roads, it makes it seem like longer. But it's amazing. It's amazing. Look at that. Look. Look. Beautiful. And we get back on our bike. And because we're in lower elevation, it's a bit warmer. Now we got to go back up. And I know you can keep going this road. I think it goes forever. And yeah, but I think I'm going to stop here. Turn around, go back, because there's only one road back, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would take a different route back. Oh, it's just amazing. You can't get enough of this view. And so this can happen. I'm down out of the mountains mostly. It's a lot warmer. Now that I'm down out of the mountains, way over yonder. take a little break. Saw my fingers out. It's quite amazing though. Not that far from town now. So amazing.